What if I told you that every time a human life activates, it produces a shape, and that shape is a zero? Stop scrolling. This isn't numerology. This isn't mysticism. This is measurable, documented science that most people will never hear about. Let me explain. Researchers at the HeartMath Institute have confirmed something extraordinary. The human heart generates an electromagnetic field that extends up to 3 feet outside your body. It's 100 times stronger electrically and 5,000 times stronger magnetically than the brain's field. When that field is mapped in 3 dimensions, it creates a perfect toroidal shape. And when you slice that torus down the middle, you get a figure that looks exactly like the number 0. But here's where it gets strange. This isn't just about the heart. Go smaller. Go to the very beginning of life. When a single fertilized egg begins to divide, it pinches in the middle and forms a figure 8. 2 circles joined at a single point. 2 zeros. Scientists call this cytokinesis, and it's the first visible shape that every multicellular life form on Earth produces. Now forget everything you were taught about life starting with a heartbeat or a first breath. Dr. Michael Levin at Tufts University has spent over a decade proving that before any gene activates, before any protein folds, an electrical pattern appears on the surface of cells, a bioelectric blueprint. And the voltage gradients that form during early embryonic development create circular, zero-like patterns that literally instruct cells on what to become. No electrical pattern, no life. No zero, no form. Here's the controversy nobody wants to address. We've spent centuries defining zero as nothing, empty, void. The Babylonians used it as a placeholder. Indian mathematicians gave it philosophical depth around the 5th century. Brahmagupta became the first person to treat zero as a real number in 628 AD. But what if zero was never about nothing? Think about this. Your DNA, the molecule carrying every instruction for your existence, is a double helix. Look at it from above, straight down its central axis. What do you see? A circle, a zero. Every cross-section of the most important molecule in your body forms a zero. Your cells divide through zeros. Your heart pumps inside a zero-shaped field. Your DNA is structured around zeros. Now here's what will really keep you up tonight. In quantum physics, there's a concept called zero-point energy. It represents the lowest possible energy a quantum system can have, and it's never actually zero. Even in a perfect vacuum at absolute zero, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, particles still vibrate. There is always something. In physics, zero is never truly empty. The same holds in biology. What we call the starting point of life isn't a beginning from nothing, it's an activation. Scientists at Stanford have recorded calcium waves that ripple across a newly fertilized egg in circular, zero-like pulses within seconds of sperm entry. That's not a metaphor. That's a measured biological event. So the second zero isn't just a clever phrase. It's a pattern appearing at every scale of life. From quantum vibrations to cellular division to the electromagnetic field surrounding your beating heart. The first zero changed mathematics forever. This second zero might change how we understand life itself. If this blew your mind, follow this page right now because we break down the kind of science most people will never get to hear about. Now tell me this. If zero is the shape life makes when it activates, what have we really been calling nothing all this time?